Hi guys, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. In this video, I will show you how to thread the Vision embroidery machine. Come to the back of the machine. You will find that we have already enabled the thread racks with different numbers. You just need to find the corresponding spool according to these numbers and then pass the corresponding thread through the corresponding hole. Okay, now we will use number 3 spool as example. Go through the hole from here, then the second hole, and the last hole. Next, go through the hole of the tension knob. And lift up the press bar of the tension knob and put the thread on the right side. Next, we are going to go through the tube. In this part, you need to use the thread. You can find it from your tool knit. Okay, now you can take out the tube and then you can make the thread go through the tube first. Then you can connect the thread. Okay, then you can pull the thread. Now let's keep it threading. Lift the press bar and pass the thread. Then put the thread on the left side of the row and wrap the thread. Lift the press bar again and put the thread on the left. Then pull back. Go through the hook. And then put the thread on the rope and wrap the thread on the tension wheel for half circle. And then put the thread on the left side of the rope. Then keep to lift the press bar and pass the thread. Then keep to pull the thread and make sure the thread was in the slot. Now let the thread go through the right side of the rope. And then go through the ring. Then go through the left side of the rope. And then pull the thread. Then go through this hole. And keep to pull the thread. Then let the thread go through this hole. Here I need to remind of you, the thread should be inside in the corresponding slot. It can't be like this. So you need to make sure it is inside here. Now let's keep moving the thread. And we are going to go through the last press bar. Here, you can use your finger to lift up the press bar and then put the thread inside. Okay. Keep pulling the thread. Okay, now it's the last step. Make the thread go through the needle hole. And then put the extra thread under the press bar. Okay, that's all for today's video on how to thread the vision embroidery machine. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share it. See you next time.